Good day. This is my presentation on the philosophy of positivism. The proponent of positivism was Auguste Comte. He was a French philosopher and the founder of sociology. He grew up in the wake of French Revolution. While his parents were avid monarchists and religious, Comte rejected religion and royalty. What is positivism? It is based on the view that whatever exists can be verified through experiments, observation, and mathematical or logical proof. Everything else is non-existent. Positivism divides all statements into three categories: true, false, or meaningless, which is neither true nor false. A meaningless statement is one that isn't clear enough to be tested through positivistic means. There is no way you could test whether it is true or it is not, which means it isn't true or false, it's just nonsense. If a statement, however, does have a meaning, then it must be either true or false, but that doesn't mean we necessarily know which one it is. Take note that despite its name, positivism has nothing to do with positive thinking or optimism. It's just a coincidence that they have similar names. Comte asserted the law of the three phases or stages of intellectual development. The first one is the theological stage. It is where the natural phenomena are explained as the results of supernatural or divine powers. It can be polytheistic or monotheistic. In any case, miraculous powers or wills are believed to produce the observable events. However, it was criticized by Comte as anthropomorphic, which means it rests on all too human analogies. The second phase is the metaphysical stage. It is a depersonalized theology. The observable processes of nature are assumed to rise from natural forces grasped with abstract concepts like cause, ether, being, substance, etc. The realm of observable facts is considered as an imperfect copy or imitation of eternal ideas. However, Comte charged that questions concerning ultimate reality, first causes, or absolute beginnings are thus declared to be absolutely unanswerable. The third and final phase is the positive or scientific stage. It is concerned only with positive facts. It explains the natural phenomena factually, and neither God nor primal cause is observed on this stage. It believes that the task of the sciences and of knowledge in general is to study the facts and regularities of nature and society, and to formulate the regularities as laws. In this stage, mankind reaches the stage of maturity of his knowledge. This is Comte's theory of the hierarchy of the sciences. He arranged the 6 basic and pure sciences one upon the other in a pyramid. He prepared the way for logical positivism to reduce each level to the one below it. He placed at the fundamental level the science that does not presuppose any other sciences, that is, mathematics, and then ordered the levels above it in such a way that each science depends upon and makes use of the science below it on the scale. For example, arithmetic and the theory of numbers are declared to be presuppositions for geometry and mechanics, astronomy, physics, chemistry, biology, and sociology. Each higher level science in turn adds to the knowledge content of the science or sciences on the levels below, thus enriching this content by successive specialization. If you notice, from mathematics going upwards to sociology, there is increasing complexity, increasing dependency, an increasing modifiability of facts. However, when you look at it from the top to bottom, from sociology to mathematics, there is also a decreasing generality. Psychology, however, was not yet founded as a formal discipline before. That is why it was not included in Comte's system of the sciences. Comte assumed that psychology should become a branch of biology, especially of brain neurophysiology, on one hand and sociology on the other. He was skeptical of introspection in psychology, being convinced that in attending to one's own mental states, these states would be irretrievably altered and distorted. Comte expressed the basic hope of positivism in his quote, "Basically means that human knowledge will inevitably progress through predefined stages, which were the theological or fictitious, the metaphysical or abstract, and the scientific or positive, never moving backward or evolving in unexpected directions." Notice that Comte placed religion at the bottom of his hierarchy, referring to it as fiction. This skepticism of religion is common among positivists.